Public speaking. Presentation skill is an art as well as a science of learning. Public speaking skill or presentation skill is such a field which has lots of benefits. Well, the journey to acquire this skill is also very interesting and exciting. This skill plays a major role in career, personal as well as professional development. In this video we will learn about the importance of public speaking. We will learn some step-by-step tips to become expert in the sector of public speaking. Starting with why we should learn presentation skill. What are its importance? 1. We can easily convince anyone with this skill. If we possess the skill of influencing, then we can always be superior in this world full of competition. 2. It helps us to be recognized easily. Whether you are in your school or in work area, you will always get opportunities to speak and put forward your ideas. Your identity increases among people. You will always catch eye of people anywhere. You will become the center of attraction. You will always be recognized and remembered by others. 3. It will help to increase your confidence. If a person who is active in presentation skill, his or her confidence will always be greater in his personal and professional life. Your personality becomes more attractive to others. Public speaking skill has its importance in each and every field. 4. It makes you a unique personality. Facing audience on stage is not a cup of tea for everyone. Very less people are able to acquire this skill. So, if you understand all the tactics and science of this skill, you will never back off to take any risk. This skill helps you to increase your self-esteem, self-image and self-respect.
Now let's discuss about the tips that will help anyone to understand the science of public speaking. 1. Purpose setting. First of all, you should try to find out the motive of your speech. This will help to relate and act according to the situation. If you know the goal of your speech, your journey becomes properly planned and precise. So, try to find out the purpose of your speech. Don't speak because you are forced to do that. Speak for a reason. While preparing for your speech, try to think, feel and act. 2. Understand your audience. Secondly, you should know everything about your audience. Figure out the understanding level of your audience before facing them. Know about the number of your audience, find out the place and gender, try to figure out their interest, figure out their expectations, relate their needs. 3. Body language and tone of voice. Face your audience and stand with your feet hip distance apart, make eye contact but not for too long, move around freely on your available space, avoid crossing your arms, your voice should be clear and audible, don't speak too fast or too slow, behave like an actor. 4. Be well prepared. Give your presentation to the mirror, video camera or your partner. Get feedback and watch the recording. Find out the things that can be done more perfectly and work on it. Focus on correct pronunciation of the words. 5. Conquer your fear. Knowing what might happen will help to calm your nerves and carry on if you feel nervous. More prepared you are, less nervous you will be. Remember that the audience is not to see you. They are much more interested in what you have to say. Don't tell the audience you are nervous. Nearly everyone suffers from some anxiety about public speaking. Make sure of breathing and relaxation technique before you begin. 6. Try to enjoy yourself. When you are on stage, have a smile on your face. Make it seem like you are happy and thankful to be there. This will help you and your audience to relax and break the unfriendly environment. So follow these tips and observe the positive results in your life. Hope this video was useful. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.